welcome back to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and support me. So as you can see, I have a scarf on my head, and that's because I want my edges to dry up and be flat. But what I'm firstly doing is I'm taking this Huda Beauty primer, and it's a waterproof primer, and I really love this, and I really like applying it before I apply foundation, because once I start applying the foundation, it comes on my skin really smoothly. Once I'm done, I'm now taking this Just Be Gorgeous foundation and I'm going to apply it on my face. And if y'all have been watching my YouTube videos, y'all will know that this is my favorite foundation because it fully covers up my dark marks. Now I'm just using this just to apply the foundation and to make sure it fully soothes into my skin. Next, I'm taking this eyebrow brush and I'm just brushing my eyebrows so that they look neat. And once I'm done doing that, I'm taking my black opal eyebrow pencil and I'm using it to draw my eyebrows. Now I like to follow the shape of my own eyebrows because I feel like that's what suits me. Now I'm just drawing my other eyebrow. And I'm trying to make them look a little bit alike and look a little bit identical. Next, I'm taking my color pencil and my eyebrow pencil and I'm now just shading in, or in other words, coloring in my eyebrows. Now my eyebrows are looking kind of thick, but that's okay. But now I'm taking my eyebrow brush and I'm using it to blend the beginnings of my eyebrows, because I don't want people to be looking and be like, oh, that's where her eyebrows start. No, I wanted to give it a nice blended look, shaded look when starting. Next, I'm taking this Pro Concealer, and now guys, I have to tell you something. If you are a makeup artist or you want to do your eyebrows or you love makeup, you have to have a concealer. Concealer is so important, and I really love it so much because as you can see, I said before that my eyebrows are looking kind of thick, but I love concealer because with concealer you can cover that up and fix that up. So I'm using this small brush and I'm taking some concealer, and make sure you apply enough concealer so that your eyebrows really look neat. Now I'm doing my other eye and putting some concealer. Now I'm also, at the same time, I'm trying to make my eyebrows look alike. Now guys, I have to tell you, it's not easy to always make your eyebrows look identical. So I have to tell you this, that your eyebrows are not identical sisters or twins. They ain't twins, they are not twins, they are just sisters. just applying some concealer at the beginning just to give my eyebrows a nice start to it. Now I'm just taking my eyebrow brush and I'm just using it to blend the concealer, and especially at the beginnings I don't want the concealer to show, so I'm just blending everything together. And once I'm done, I'm now also taking this small brush and I'm blending the concealer as well. Now I'm just using this to blend the concealer with the foundation. Now I'm taking my eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette have full blunt colors, and I'm not trying to go for a very dramatic look, so I'm using these peach brown colors and I'm going to mix them together, and I'm going to apply them on my crease and on my eyelid as well. And I'm going to apply enough. You're going to see it's really blunt. They're really blunt colors. You cannot really see them, but they are good enough. As you can see, you can't really see the colors, but they are really going well. Like, I don't want a very strong color, so I'm just using these blunt colors to make my face look more natural. So this is like a more natural color to go with the season we're in. We're in autumnish, winterish, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really liking these blunt colors. You can't really see it, but they will do. Now I'm taking this bright peach color, but when I apply it you won't really see it, but it does add and kind of work out the look I'm trying to look. As you can see, you can't really see the colors, but it's there. You can see it. It's there. It'll work. Now I'm just taking my ADS mesmerizing gel and I'm going to use it to draw my wing. Now, if you want to draw a very nice wing, you have to pull your eye and then draw the nice wing. And you see, just like that, looking fine. Ooh, like a cat eye. They call it a cat eye. So this is what I'm trying to do. So you just pull your eye and then you draw the eyeliner. And this is how my eyes are looking, and I'm also going to apply the gel on my bottom eyelid. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going in with my Ultra Volume Revlon mascara and I'm going to apply it on my bottom eyelashes and on my top lashes as well. Now I'm really taking my time doing my mascara because I really want them to pop and come out. And once I'm done doing that, I'm now going to do my lips, and I'm taking this 80s mesmerizing eyeliner, and this one is now brown. The other one I was using was black, but this one is brown, and I'm going to use it to outline my lips so that we can do like a nice ombre look. Now you want to make sure you apply enough and make sure that it looks really dark, so when we put the lip gloss it looks really nice. Now I'm applying some gel on my top lip as well. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going in with my Karite matte lip gloss, and I'm going to apply this on my lips. Once I'm done applying, I'm just rubbing my lips, and y'all look at that. Wow, that is an ombre look. But now just to give it a nice touch, I'm applying this passion brown lip gloss just to give my lips a nice shine to it. Now I'm just applying some more of that brown gel, just applying some more so that my lip really looks like an ombre lip. Once I'm done doing this, I'm taking some powder and I'm applying it on my face because my face really does get oily during the day. So I'm applying enough on my cheeks and on my forehead and on my chin and on my nose because that is where I usually get oily. So I'm just applying some powder just to help me from not being oily in those places. Next, I'm taking my Colors Limited blusher and bronzer, and I'm going to use the bronzer, and I'm going to apply the bronzer on my cheekbones and on my nose. I'm applying this on my nose and my cheekbones just to give me a nice highlighted natural look. Now I'm just applying some on my nose, and once I'm done doing this, I'm going to change into my jersey so that the look can go with my jersey. You know, I want to look like an autumn winter girl. Now I'm just putting on my earrings just to finish up the look. And once I'm done doing that, I'm also going to remove my scarf because I'm sure my edges are drying now. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, thank you for watching, but please subscribe and support me and join my family. Thank you guys. See y'all in the next video.